Got my latest challenge medal, and it's kind of interesting, so I thought I'd share it with you. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. All right, so this is my latest Conqueror medal challenge. This is actually the Marathon to Athens, which I think is 26.2 miles, but I don't remember if that's actually what this challenge is or not. But I was just opening this up to look at the medal that we get here, and I wanted to show it to you because it's different than the previous ones that I've gotten because I'm such an incredible endurance athlete. It only took me, a couple weeks to walk 26.2 miles. But as you can see here, this thing looks really cool. I love the look of these. I love kind of this square vertical portrait mode look of the medals. And I'll be honest, I'm picking these challenges a lot of times based on which medal I want and not necessarily on the challenge itself. But we get the Marathon to Athens lanyard up here, so that's kind of cool. But then down here, gonna get this bronze piece and the little cloak here. I will say also, I was on a waiting list for this, so this must be a popular challenge because I think of how cool this looks. But look, this thing comes off, so there are little magnets there. And now, oh, look at this. I didn't even notice that. But now we get one of these little coins. I can't remember what they would call these, but I think it's a replica of that, and obviously something on the back there. But these coins, oh gosh, I can't remember what they're called, but you can probably tell me in the comments. But you can actually go online and find these. They were very popular, I think, back in the day in ancient Greece. I think you can. I may be confusing that with like some of the old Roman coins. You also get this little shield here that goes on there. So very cool. You get the running man, Nike. That's where Nike comes from. It means victory, I think, in Greek. And so nothing movable on the back here, but it's just pretty cool that this and this is all separate. And this has to be held in by this because that's not magnetic at all. So just really cool. And obviously it gives it a ton of relief there. So if you want to pick up this really cool medal, or earn it, I should say, earn it, come join me on the trail at the Conqueror challenges. I've been having a lot of fun doing them. I probably don't do as many as I could because they're like $40 a pop. But if you use the link in my description, I think you get 10% off. I think maybe I get 10% off too. So that might help me join you on your next adventure. Peter Von Panda, out.